GB storage, vertical bar SD888 5G vertical bar 120Hz True 10-bit AMOLED vertical bar 120W HyperCharge vertical bar 6 months free screen replacement for Prime vertical bar additional exchange offers available. Review. Buying an Android flagship phone isn't easy and requires lot of research. So sharing my experience why I chose this and what I like. 1. 120-watt charging, Is it important? Well, it's good to have, but in reality it feels like magic. The charge percentage moves up in real time so fast. Now I need not put my phone for charging every night. Even when stepping out, if there is low battery, need to just charge for 10 minutes, and I'm ready for full day outing. 2. Best photo quality is number one priority for me. I take a lot of photos of my family, kids. The 108MP camera does justice to this. The photo qualities are top-notch. The selfies also come out really great. Best way to distinguish a great camera from a good camera is to review low-light nighttime photos. With Xiaomi 11T Pro, night shots are brilliant, without photos getting grainy. Bloggers have talked about special modes such as vlog, yet to try out, I'm a little old for this. 3. Nowadays display are getting a lot of attention, and that's a good thing. This phone has all possible certifications jargons to be called out as best display. Dolby Vision, 120Hz display, etc. Just lets you know that don't worry, you have the best display. 4. Sound quality of most Android phones is poor, especially when you put the phone on speaker. Tried this with 20-30K devices in the past. This has Harman Kardon speakers and some fancy
Subscribe the channel or like the video in the best for the video.
After using I can clearly say the sound quality, speaker volume is almost twice as good as any other phone I have tried. 5. And this has been just wow. It is the absolute best multimedia experience that I have come across on any device till now. All other things that you